From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 25. So today we will move on to a new grammar format, あります and います。So あります and います means there is, there are in Japanese. And this is a basic rule. あります is used for non-living things and non-animated things such as computers, houses, bags, shoes, and so on. It says plants. Of course, plants are living things. However, they don't move on their own. Therefore, we use あります for plants and flowers. います on the other hand is used for living things such as people, animals, insects, and so on. So once again, あります for non-living things and non-animated things. います for living things and animated things. Now this is the grammar format. It's quite simple. Things があります This is for non-living things. Things がいます This is for living things. So, I will show you some examples. First one, there is a school. 学校があります。Because 学校 school is a non-living thing. Therefore, you need to use あります。Second one, there is a tree. 木があります。木 tree is a living thing. However, they don't move on their own. So they are non-animated things. Therefore, we use あります for trees. Another example. There are people. 人がいます。人 people are living things. Therefore, we use います for people. There is a bird. 鳥がいます。鳥bird is also a living thing. Therefore, we use います for a bird. Now, I'd like you to do this exercise. Please stop the video and work on these 4 sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. First one, there is a bank. 銀行があります。Bank is 銀行 in Japanese, and this is a non-living thing. Therefore, we use あります。Second one, there is a computer. パソコンがあります。Computer is パソコン。You can also say computer. Both are okay, but we use パソコン more often. And of course, computer is a non-living thing. Therefore, you need to use あります。Third one, there is a dog. 犬がいます。Dog is 犬 and it's a living thing. Therefore, we use います。Last one, there is a fish. 魚がいます。Fish is also a living thing. Therefore, you need to use います。Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 銀行があります。パソコンがあります。 犬がいます。魚がいます。Very good job. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me anytime, and I will be very happy to answer your questions. Very lastly, I have homework for you. This time 4 sentences. So please translate these 4 sentences using either あります or います。So once again, we use あります for non-living things and non-animated things. We use います for living things and animated things. I will put those new vocabularies in the description below so that you can refer to them when you do the homework. So, very good job. みんな今日もありがとう。I really look forward to seeing your homework. So, I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。